Good afternoon. This is your Kawinig Yard. Let's update our babies so far. This is 20 pieces. Only ang kanilang food. So they are already 1 week and 4 days. So yun ay napisa ng December 14. So ito 14, 15, 16, 17. Napisa ito ng 17. December 17. 12 pieces. Tapos 17, 18, 19 after 3 days or 2 days napisa ito. 15 pieces. Tapos ito ang pinakahuling napisa, 10 pieces, pero nakalimutan ko yung exact date, pero I think there's only 3 days old. 10 pieces, mixed color. So, kulit natin gansa, 1 week na. 1 week na rin to and 4 days. Kukulit. Tapos, eto pa. And 5 days old pa lang yan. 5 days old. Yung malaki, hindi nila kapatid. Sinali ko lang yan. Apat sana yung maliliit, kaya lang namatay yung isa sa egg mismo. It wasn't able to go out on the shell. So, other one is died. This one is already big one. Tatlo lang sila. 5 days old. Ito, mga mongoloid, 1 month na. Hello. Mixed breed chicken. My specialty is cobra. Cobrati kaya nga. Cobrati. So yesterday may hatch din. 10 pieces mixed breed din. Cobra ang pinaka-favorite ko. Cobrati. Thank you for watching. This is your Winig Yard. Spread love, not hate. Farming is life. Bye-bye.